Okay, so we're back and we're going to talk about one specific pre-writing strategy. Now, we're looking at the blank page again because I'm assuming that when you do your pre-writing, you will be using notebook paper. So, let's get our little dragon S's out of the way and we'll start with clustering. Or some people call it webbing. Some people call it mapping. I like the word cluster, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so for example, I bet nobody woke up this morning and said, I think I'm going to write about what 3 things I would pack in a small suitcase to go to Mars. But that was, like I said in the last video, a question on one of the classes. So 3 things to Mars. Something popped in my head, a book. I have lots of books that I love. What books do I love? I love Harry Potter. I would have to put all 7. Some people might say a Bible or their religious book. What else just popped in my head? My phone. Why would I take my phone? Because there's some pictures on it and I can take pictures. I would take my phone and charger. We're going to count that as 1. Aw, I don't want to leave my pets behind. Now, honestly, can I stick pets in a suitcase all the way to Mars? No, I can't. But remember, pre-writing is not an editing phase. It is throwing all my ideas down on the paper so then I can pick through them. So what other thing might I take? I remember someone said a curling iron. That was pretty funny. I loved that. A curling iron. Why? Gotta look pretty. You never know when you gotta look pretty. And confident. What's something else you might take? Now, let's talk about our actual essay assignment. This is essay number 1. The question is, tell me about a memorable event or holiday or birthday that you've had. And tell me in 700 to 900 words in essay form. So I'm going to show you 2 strategies. One, you might not have something that just popped into your head. So again, we put the question and we'll just put it memorable event, holiday, birthday. So what might be a memorable event? When I turned 16, 16th birthday. And because that just popped in my head and I have some more details, my brother Alan took me out. Alan took me out. We went to a fancy restaurant. Fancy restaurant. What's another memorable event? The birth of my children. I'll just put the birth of my last son. He was born in the bathroom. My last child. So, do you see how we're doing this? What's another memorable holiday? A Christmas when I was 12. What about that? Spend it in a hotel. got some really cool presents. Cool presents. So do you see how I'm doing it? Now, that's one when you have no idea. Now, because ahead of time I knew what my assignment and what I was going to write about a little bit, that's why it came to me. It might not come to you quite in 2 minutes. However, if I'm not editing, it does come faster. If I'm not saying, man, I can't be this personal. I can't tell them about the birth of my child. Or, oh man, you know, it wasn't really that big a deal on that Christmas. I have to get it down first. So that's if I don't already have something that I want to write about. But say I do want to write about something. I do want to write about my 16th birthday. So I will put 16th birthday. Now the thing you do have to remember, so my 16th birthday, my brother took me out. Why was that special that Alan took me? We were very close. He was filling in for my dad, who was overseas, because my father wasn't around for Daddy. My 16th birthday, Alan took me to that fancy restaurant. What else about 16th birthday? Beautiful dress. Does that make sense? So in another video, we're actually going to put all these together to make a thesis statement. So your assignment is to make a 2-layer at least. So this is 1 layer and this is the 2nd layer. Make a 2-layer web. I'm going to put at least about our first essay, which is tell about a memorable event, holiday, or birthday. Now you know the parameters. It will be a 700 to 900 word essay, but we're not there yet. We're just doing our pre-writing. So thank you for joining me, and we'll talk soon.